I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the mechanical foundation. Mount the lens until it clicks so electronic contacts align. Then change your camera to a reliable focus mode like single point AF. That reduces hunting by narrowing the target. Once done, clean the lens and sensor contacts with a blower and microfiber. Dirt affects contrast detection and phase detection. Make sure to remove the UV or cheap filter. It can introduce front element reflections and confuse autofocus algorithms, so you rule out simple optical causes early. Now you calibrate and validate. Use live view or a printed focus chart at 25–50% magnification to isolate front/back focusing tendencies. Enter your camera's micro, AF adjust menu and make incremental changes for that specific lens. Some bodies store per lens profiles. Test at different apertures, distances, and focal lengths because focus error can vary across the zoom range and depth of field. Once adjusted, shoot several comparison frames and inspect at 100% to confirm focus lands consistently on your intended plane. Finish by eliminating software and hardware variables. Reset camera settings, update firmware, and retest. Firmware fixes AF algorithms. If problems persist, swap lenses or mount your lens on another body to determine whether the lens or camera is at fault. If swapping isolates the issue to a single part, consider professional calibration or repair. Optical element misalignment and motor wear require service. One key troubleshooting tip: always reproduce the failure under controlled lighting and distance so technicians can replicate and verify the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.